and welcome to Crush News. I'm Evelyn DeVellis, and in today's report we will discuss the discount retailer Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree operates more than 4,500 Dollar Tree, Deals, and Dollar Bills discount stores in 48 U.S. states and the District of Columbia, and about 140 Dollar Tree stores in Canada. Stores carry a mix of housewares, toys, seasonal items, food, health and beauty aids, gifts and books, mostly priced at $1 or less. Imports, primarily from China, account for about 40% of merchandise. The stores are located in high-traffic strip mall centers anchored by mass merchandisers, supermarkets, malls, and in small towns. In recent management changes, in June of 2013, Dollar Tree promoted Gary Philbin to the position of President and Chief Operating Officer. He has served as Chief Operating Officer since 2007. Philbin holds a bachelor's degree from Miami University and received an MBA from Xavier University. After a 30-year career in the retail grocery industry, where he held senior-level positions in both merchandising and operations, Gary joined Dollar Tree as Senior Vice President of Stores in December of 2001. For business initiatives and spending, in 2013, Dollar Tree plans to open approximately 340 new stores and 75 relocations for a total of 415 projects across the U.S. and Canada. This is in addition to the 25 new store openings and 5 relocations that they completed early and opened in January 2013. Dollar Tree estimates capital expenditures for fiscal 2013 to be between $320 and $330 million, including planned expenditures for their new and expanded stores and the addition of freezers and coolers to approximately 475 stores. They plan to spend an approximate $61.2 million to expand their distribution centers in Marietta, Oklahoma, and complete construction on a new distribution center in Windsor, Connecticut. They believe that they can adequately fund their working capital requirements and planned capital expenditures for the next few years from net cash provided by operations and potential borrowings under their existing credit facility. That's it for today. I'm Evelyn DeVellis, and this has been Crush News.